Hey beauty babes, what is up guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I decided to dress up as a disco ball because you know Halloween is just around the corner. Today I did a 4th of July festival makeup look and that's kind of why I look low-key a little bit like a disco ball. But yeah, I did a double cut crease with red, white, and blue, obviously, and I added some glitter just for some extra stuff because you know festivals are festivals and who doesn't love glitter. So yeah, if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I am pulling out is my Maybelline New York Master Contour Kit. I'm just going to be doing my contour. Okay guys, and now I'm pulling out the James Charles Artistry palette. And first I'm going to be going into the color You're Kidding, and since this is a double cut crease, I am just going to be making almost like a spoon shape on my crease. And next I'm going to be taking out the color Ring Light and putting it on my brow bone. And now I'm taking out my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer and just putting it on my eyelid and also dragging it out to make almost like a spoon shape because it is a double cut crease. And now I'm just going to be taking a brush like this and I'm going back into the color You're Kidding, and I'm just kind of going to outline the double cut crease shape we just made. And now I'm just going to be going into the color Canvas and just putting it on my eyelid. Okay guys, I'm taking my NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. Oh my gosh, I started on this eye again. That's so weird. Why did I do that? Okay, whatever. Now I'm pulling out the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the color Snow. What I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be drawing like a half cut crease line where the nude and the red eyeshadow meet. Oh, that looks really pretty. Okay guys, now I'm taking out some glitter, and this is just like glitter I got at like I think Michael's or like Hobby Lobby. You can legit get this anywhere. I think you can even get this at like CVS or Walmart. And then I'm also taking out my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I actually love this stuff. You can get this stuff on Amazon for like $4. I think it's so cheap and it works really well, so I'm going to link this down below if you guys want to get it. I'm going to be taking out one of these, and just so what you're going to do is you're just going to take a little bit of the Lash Glue and just put a little dot there and then stick the glitter on top of it. It looks like a little firework or something. It looks cute. And I'm just using these because these are all I really had at my house, and I didn't feel like driving all the way to the craft store just to get like some star glitter ones. But star glitter ones would be way cuter just because obviously this is a 4th of July look. But yeah, this is all I really had, and I didn't really like have the time to go to the store and get them and stuff, so this is what we're dealing with. I'm sorry, I'll try harder next time. Moving on. Okay guys, and now we are doing under eyes, so I'm just going to be pulling out the color Brother and just putting it underneath my eye. And then I'm going to be taking another small brush like this, and I'm just going to be dipping it into the color Cola, and I'm just going to be putting it underneath my eye, kind of darkening it up a little bit. Okay guys, now I'm pulling out the L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail eyeliner, and this is in the color White Blank, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. I'm going to be going into the Tutti Frutti Twinkle Twinkle Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the color Guava Glitz, and I'm just going to be putting this on the inner corner of my eye. And now that it's time to move on to glitter, we are going to be pulling out these two glitters, which obviously I mentioned this one before. You can get these both at like Michael's or what's another craft store? Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby. You can probably get these at Walmart or CVS too. Like, they're kind of everywhere. But yeah, I'm just going to be using this first. Like before, I'm taking out my Kiss adhesive eyelash glue, and I'm just going to be taking this and putting this in the place that I want the sparkle to go, and it's going to be underneath my eye. There, dab it a little bit. I'm going to be taking out this glitter, and then I'm going to be taking out this primer, and this is the Maybelline New York Master Prime. I don't have like a gel, which I know a lot of normal people use, so I suggest using a gel because if like you're actually going to a festival, you're gonna want it to last longer, and I'm actually not. I'm just like filming this because I thought it'd be helpful and fun. But yeah, I'm just gonna be using this because I don't have gel, and I'm not gonna go out to the store and get gel when I'm not actually gonna use it, because that's kind of a waste of money. So yeah, we're just gonna use this because it's still gonna work the same. It's just not gonna last as long. And I'm just gonna be putting some on here, and I'm just gonna be placing it where I'm gonna be putting the sparkles, and I'm just kind of gonna put them like right here. I'm not gonna go close to my hair because like I don't have a death wish. And then now it is time to apply the sparkles. Oh, this is gonna be so messy. Just prepare to like have to vacuum. That's all I'm gonna say. And I like to like hit them. Okay. That looks so cool though. Look at it in the light. I turned into the Tin Man for like a fat minute, not gonna lie. And then I'm gonna be taking these. I'm just gonna kind of be placing them like anywhere on there, you know, whatever. Well, I'm gonna just find, like, place it like somewhere cute, you know. Oh no, I got glue on my finger. Oh no, oh no. Ooh, placing it on your nail is a lot easier.
20 minutes later.
Okay, I'm gonna try to like wash off the excess, and yeah, we'll do that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then we'll come back, we'll do like the lipstick, and okay guys, so I finished the other eye, obviously. I'm gonna be pulling out the Winky Lux highlighter. I'm just gonna be putting a little bit on my nose. I'm not gonna be putting it anywhere else because it's fine. We're good. It's good everywhere else. It's really good. And since this look is already so dramatic without any lipstick, we're going to be putting on the Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquify Lipstick in the color Faking It. And I think this is a good color just because it's kind of like a nude color and it has a little bit of a shimmer, so it's not going to be too much. And lastly, I'm taking out my last sensational Maybelline New York Mascara. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or singing requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. I hope you guys have an amazing 4th of July. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be all right over here, and it'll also be linked down below along with my last video, which is playing underneath me right now. You should check it out. Check it out after this video. Do it. Oh yeah, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys hit the bell icon that is right next to the subscribe button so you guys get notified whenever I upload. Okay, I think that is all. Bye bye, beauty babes, love you. The disco ball loves y'all. And make sure you hit the bell icon that is right next to it so that you get uploaded. You get uploaded if you click that button. Do it.